Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, we're going to talk about Notion versus Obsidian versus Evernote. Which one is actually better for you this year? So let's get started. Now, if you're trying to pick between these three, they all help you organize your notes and ideas, but they do it in very different ways. And which one's best depends on how your brain works and how you work exactly. Now, Notion is the all in one workspace. Notes, databases, task lists, calendars, you name it. It's visual, customizable, and great for people who want structure with flexibility. If you're managing projects, teams, or just like linking everything together in one place, Notion feels like a digital command center. Obsidian is for power users and thinkers. It's built around markdown files, save locally, and connects your notes like a knowledge graph. If you're into deep research, journaling, or want your second brain offline and future proof, Obsidian's raw but incredibly powerful for that. No cloud lock in, no distractions, just your ideas linked together. Evernote is the old classic, reliable but aging. But hey, it still works fine for saving web clips, organizing quick notes, and syncing across devices. But it's fallen behind in innovation. And this year, in 2025, some users are moving away from it in favor of more modern tools like Notion or more minimal tools like Obsidian. So, bottom line is go with Notion, okay? If you want an all purpose productivity dashboard, choose Obsidian if you want a deep local markdown powered knowledge system. Stick with Evernote only if you are already invested and need simple syncing and note capture. That will be it for this video. I hope you found this very helpful.